UBtech subsidiary company Uki's autonomous logistics vehicle, Chitu Alpha, has officially rolled off the production line at the Foxconn New Energy Vehicle R&D Center and completed the production validation test. This is where the Chitu Alpha enters the scene, with its sleek, minimalist white exterior and friendly digital eyes that communicate with workers. Chitu Alpha boasts a super large 7.5 cubic meter cargo space and a low center of gravity that not only ensures stability, but also makes loading and unloading by other robots easier. During the tests, it demonstrated its ability to work in tandem with humanoid robots to create a full-stack unmanned logistics chain. The vehicle is powered by Level 4 autonomous driving technology and a fully redundant steer-by-wire system designed to keep the vehicle rolling safely even when a component fails. It uses a sophisticated multi-sensor fusion system, combining LiDAR, depth cameras, and ultrasonic radar to achieve a 360-degree field of perception, which means it can navigate complex urban roads and narrow factory lanes without any human intervention. One of the hidden gems of its design is the industry-first in-cabin laser and binocular fusion perception technology. This allows the Chitu Alpha to maintain peak performance even in the harshest conditions, whether it is heavy rain, thick fog, or snow, making it a true all-weather worker. The recent production validation test completion at Foxconn is a massive win because it proves the vehicle can handle the grueling demands of a real-world, high-volume production environment.